state-of-the-art white-rodgers 50E47U-843 hot surface ignition module from Copeland replaces over 325 HSI part numbers that use 24, 120, or 240 volt igniters, so you can carry fewer parts on your truck and make more service calls. This module can control an inducer motor and monitor a pressure switch. Hot surface ignition modules can be found in pool heaters, water heaters, unit heaters, infrared heaters, gas furnaces, boilers, and cooking and laundry equipment. Simplify setup with the white-rodgers Connect app by quickly configuring the module without power before you install it, even from the comfort of your own truck. Plus, you can enter the replacement part number to configure to hundreds of preloaded OEM settings. No more fiddling with dip switches. Once installed, the white-rodgers Connect app helps diagnose and troubleshoot error codes accurately without having to count flashing LEDs. The easy-to-read onboard digital display provides an alternate method for configuration and diagnostics, checking operational status, and getting a real-time flame current reading. The clever install harness offers trouble-free conversion of the old board wiring to the new control. Add an integrated thermostat sensor, sold separately, to maintain temperature without the need for an external thermostat in infrared and tube heaters. Reduce inventory, save time, and increase profitability by having the right part on your truck every time with the 50E47U-843 hot surface ignition module and other white-rodgers universal replacement parts.